Hi, my name is Sheila Delica Bungar and I'm from the Philippines. I'm a virtual assistant with a specialized focus on social media management and writing. Think of me as your brand's digital storyteller and growth architect. As a dedicated creative and technical writer, my mission is to deliver content that is both impactful and impeccably clear. I specialize in distilling elaborate concepts into digestible insights, whether I'm writing persuasive website content, detailed user manual, or engaging blog posts. My strength lies in my ability to adapt my voice to suit to any audience or purpose, consistently producing high quality written work that drives comprehension and achieves goals, communication goals particularly. My passion lies in taking your vision and transforming it into compelling online narratives. I manage social channels to ensure that the message does not only reach the right people, but also sparks genuine conversation and drives measurable results. Whether we are talking about increased engagement, website traffic, or leads. I thrive on helping businesses like yours to build a vibrant online community, amplify brand's voice, and ultimately turn followers into loyal customers. So, hire me and let's make your digital presence unforgettable. Thank you.